ukungena that event and support each other. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo angiboni ukuthi njengoba last year kwaba necase eyintombi ezabanjwa inkunzi zala eGoli zenza kube besi-unite bengeke kwenzeke lokho. But ngoba asazani noma se-underminana mawubona ikhala sokuthi angibafuni kabi awubafuni bakwenzeni bayini yakho bakuthathele yona. So ngiyacela ukuthi njengoba nihamba nesigodlweni hambani nolanda ama-blessings wenu hambani landa iy'busiso zenu. Ngihlala ngibatshela mina la ekhaya ngithi yabona akekho umuntu oblessed njengani because sinje singonomehlo saqala ukungena isigodlo ngenxa yenu. Kube bekungasiyini kuba sazi inyawo zethu kuba sazi ukuthi zingene esigodlweni. So you are so blessed. Mina njengoba ngizobaleka ngiyanibongela kukho konke uNkulunkulu ngathi anganandisela anibless ayishem yazi nini ni wise nihlakaniphile line leadership yonke into nje ikini ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mama.
Ma,
I think
Mam Smelani, ngaphambi kokuthi uhambe ma, bengicela nje ukucela into eyodwa ngiyacela ukuthi futhi ngizokhulumela iy'ntombi ey'ningi kakhulukazi ezila eGoli. Siyacela bandla ukuthi mengabe kwenzeka nani nikwazi ukukhuluma nabathize abaphezulu mhlampe kunani abasesikoleni. Sicela bandla ukuthi nathi mesifika emhlangeni impatho ishintshe nje kancane ngoba siyabona ukuthi iy'ntombi ey'phuma kwezinye iy'ndawo kakhulukazi i-KZN ngathi bona baphathwa kangcono ukudlula thina. Sicela nje lapho.
Okumnandi ukuthi siphezu kwayo. Siphezu kwalokho ukuthi
Siyabonga ma.
singama guest sifuna ukuphathwa special. Uyabona bona amehlo mangaba khona abalalele siphezu kwakho lokho.
Siyabonga ma, singajabula kakhulu siyabonga ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi mesemhlangeni sonke sihlanganiswe into eyodwa ukuthi uphume eKZN noma uphume eGoli it shouldn't matter size ngento eyodwa efanayo futhi asiphatheke ngendlela efanayo.
Hayi injalo
Siyabonga ma.
Izolungiswa yini futhi kodwa siphezu kwayo khululekani.
Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
ngiyabonga kakhulu mama.
Ngibonga tinye ku-next meeting bye bye.
Ngicela ukusho kuMaSmilane fast, sorry. Nami nguSmilane sawubona magocha. Just wanted to say that first. And then bengifuna ukubuza just like me, I had umemulo, right? Bengahamba majiji all along. It's just mebangenzela umemulo endlini. I started being interested with Gigi and everything, right? And then bangihlola bangenza everything. My question is, after umemulo, what happens, guys? I just don't understand. What happens? Like, am I free to sleep with guys, or do you still continue being a virgin? Like, I am so sorry. Like, because there's after memulo, we don't know what to do. But I just don't know what to do after that. You know, to be honest, I'm for Nick shot. But now when it's civil so I just don't know. Like, what happens? Sorry if I'm cool.
I think I don't know, maybe just give mama a chance to speak because we are hamba. Abegu power like it, and then I think all of us on the panel can add to that after umama say biggie.
Oh, okay. Most here in Tombi khona vele abangaphuma entombini bakhishwa umshado. And then the reason why uthola ukuthi ithi ngicale la ninjeni intombi aniphiwanga ukuthi ningangena emshadweni nonke. Abanye mhlawumbe bazoshada, abanye angeke baze bashade. So lapho ngoba masicala sinikhulisela ukuthi asinikhulisa ukuthi nizoba yishima no. But sinikhulisela ukuthi makufika leso sikhathi sithola you are mentally stable. Ungazorojwa ngaphandle. Number 1, number 2. Ibhlungu makungabe wena so decide ukulala. Yabona ine advantage ne disadvantage. Ibhlungu makungabe so decide ukulala at the age of 25. And then maso decide ukulala uzolala nalo muntu loyo ajika kweqe ayothatha omunye umuntu kuqhamuke umkhize mhlambe wena inkomo kaMama yathathwa kwaZwane. So mase bafika bazokhipha ilobolo inkomo kaMama kumele yofunwa phi kaZwane ngoba ithathwa ngomkhize and by then mhlambe wena nomkhize benile ehotel wena sothi mina sengimdala ngikhulile leyo ijike ibe i-challenge because ijike nathi kunalapho isibamba khona ngoba masoyolotshola okokuqala makubafika ekhaya bayabuza ukuthi inkomo kamama bacela inkomo kamama thola ukuthi inkomo kamama ayisekho iyathathwa kabani bani. So most of intombi zinokubuza ukuthi mama manje makwenzeka ukuthi ngiba na 30 nginaba 40 na 50 angithola umkhwenyana ngizwenza njani. That's why ubona ezinye intombi end up azithi mina ngicela ukuziphilela impilo yami ngiphume at all kulento yentombi but inkani ngiye ngazigcina until the age le yokuthi ngikhuliswe. So and yikho ngaso sonke isikhathi nginokuyitshela mina intombi zala ekhaya ngithi yazini okwamanje don't focus endabeni zomshado but okwamanje ngicela ukuthi umyeni wakho kube incwadi yakho kube i-degree kube i-diploma kube i-masters kube i-certificate zakho zokuhlola and then maso ufike ku that stage udecide ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza into enje uwazi ukuthi uthathe i-decision with a sober mind akunamuntu okurobhile uziblame wena ungablame umunye umuntu into enjalo. But ongikuthanda ngiyabona intombi zama-degree yilabo engibathandayo ke kakhulu ke lapho.
Siyabonga mama, ngiyacanga ukuthi umama ubekile seyangakhululeka uma singagcini isikhathi eside for meeting yakho sibonga nje ukuba khona kwakho.
Ngibonga.
Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. I-age yami, sorry ngisacela ukusho i-age yami.
How old are you?
I am 25.
Did you not that old?
Ngina
Like
35. Alright ubaba ngigraduateile. Ngina
amen.
everything le ngiwathi teaching abanayo. Ngaphuma naselontuzana eSouth Africa ngisebenza eAmerica ngibuye eSouth Africa and
Amen.
all of that. It's just ukungazi ukuthi uyenzani after all of this achievement. Ngikenzile anginangane ngemoto yami nginendlu yami yonke into it's mine. It's just now it's the how do we maneuver now because
Can I
I'm at
just first
the
say,
age where it's like so
can I just first say, I'm really sorry for being intrusive. Can I just first say congratulations? Congratulations. Not a lot of people can say that. Not a lot of people can say that. You should be very proud of yourself. That is a lifetime achievement. And I if in the country ngizokugqobisa nje amafutha Nkosi yami ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi nami ngiyithole leyo nhlanhla. You know, siyafisa sonke to be able to stand proud and tall and say those things, right? And I get where you're coming from to say, okay, I've done everything. I don't want to get married. That is not for me. Right? So then what do I then do? Because marriage is not my thing. I'm not waiting for marriage. What am I doing here? The years are going by. It's filled with a lot of kids. And I think Uguhle, when I was going through Ugutle's post, Umamwelase, upostile during the week, her post was like, uyahamba uyavalelisa, and someone said, Sirasmina, I understand your concern because Kwelingana is now 16, 18 here. And here we are in our late 20s, approaching 30, some are even over 30, right? And they're sitting here chilling with kids, going through this whole thing. The maturity levels are not the same. The cognitive thinking is not the same. The arguments become petty. There's so many things we can name that are negative with being around people that are not within your age mate, especially in such a situation, because we don't understand things the same. They don't have the same meaning to us because of the different cognitive levels, right? Completely understand that. But I think it boils down to your why. Initially, ubungahambi intombi like mina intombi I was introduced ngommemulo wami bengizibona TV and whatever, and then ngommemulo wami kwathiwa ekhaya siyakenzela immemulo njengoba sithembisile ngathi yebo nami ngingakujabulela lokho njengoba bese sikhulumile, and then okay ngizoku-add and then request angikwazi uku-add ke angisazi-ke ukuthi ngenzeni, ngicela if khona i-moderator Nkosi yami imi-add angazi impela. But ngicela ukuthi sorry, I got a bit distracted there. But you choose and pick ukuthi what is your battle, right? Mina, my thing was I wanted a memulo. My dad said memulo is yours. I said, oh my God, thank you. joined, realized, oh my God, this thing is kind of fun, right? Oh my God. And then the promise of, and I think I shared my story to those who are connect InterVarsity Kerambogoti. It was about the sisterhood. That was the selling point for me. That was what made me stick around, was the sisterhood, the joint networking, the dialogue such as this, where we share, we grow, we advise, we do whatever, right? That was a selling point for me. That's why I stayed, right? And I'm staying, and we're the same age. So we've been here for a while, right? But then the question becomes, what then? If marriage is not in the plane for you, or it's not something you want, what are you chilling for? You're chilling for vibes, you're chilling for whatever it is that you want to be here for. If you feel your purpose ain't Ombini is done, you have done what you wanted to achieve, and ndiyabona ukuthi ebese ngikuzele sengiqedile and akukho engingakeda, akukho engakuminasa, isikhathi sami entombini sesiphelile. Mina, I'm a personal advocate of uzophuma ngalo mnyango ongene ngawo. Just like you enter through the door, you can leave at that door, and it's not a bad thing. Valelisa kahle bakwethu, ngiyahamba nkosi yami, kuney'ndlela zokuvalelisa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba usisigugu sefile, sisigugu ngithanda ukwamukela phakathi kwendawo, sibonga ukuthi wenze isikhathi sokuthi ube khona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi usisigugu nosisinozi can share iy'ndlela zokuvalelisa ey'ntombini ngendlela right, if you wanna go down that step. But if you feel ukuthi kititimile kicatile sebaka, ucatile sebaka, and that's up to you. Remember, this is a personal journey. This is about you. So if you feel you've had enough, there's no reason to stay. You're gonna be bitter. We're not gonna like you. You're gonna cause us problems. That is the truth. That's how I feel. That's my opinion. Yeah. But I think they can share also. I don't know
One more
if what I
question, sorry,
said
one more question.
makes sense for you.
Is it possible kupatela inkomo yaka mama beforehand? Like if I'm seeing a person, I'm like, no, I'm gonna put that inkomo yaka mama, and then we can do it. And then if I'm some phone and some phone, I can't.
It doesn't work that way. From what I
Oh,
know,
okay.
it doesn't work that way. If he triggers us this buyer, then he needs to go pay. He can't pay before triggers happening, because then what is he paying for? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, but I think our sister too can add on.
Okay, just to add on ne. Ngiyacabanga umuntu nomuntu wayene-reason why adecide ukujoyina intombi. So omunye mhlawumbe wayefuna nje i-growth or u-experience ukuthi kwenziwani sorry bese ayaphuma. Omunye mhlawumbe wayeyibekele nje a certain age. Mina nje njengami guys, I won't lie, ngangiyibekelile iminyaka yokuthi ngafika kule minyaka le it's try, and ngazi kahle ukuthi angeke ngize ngithi ngiyavalelisa, ngizophuma nje and umfana ageze intombi ngendlela ekumele kwenziwe ngayo, because I know ukuthi mangabe uphume ngembobo intombi ziyagezwa indlela engazi ngayo. Angazi-ke mhlawumbe kwabanye, but mina eNewcastle ngazi kanjalo ukuthi intombi kumele uyigeze mangabe, and then kube khona-ke indlela la umuntu oyibekela ukuthi mina ngizophuma entombini mdlazana ngathola umshado. So angeke size sithi usisi akahlale entombini until azathola umshado, yena uyazi, and ngeke size sim-advise, because mangabe sewenzile umqondo wakho ukuthi sasa ngiyaphuma entombini, uyaphuma entombini. May decide ukuthi next year January or December 31st uyaphuma entombini, uzophuma entombini. Angeke size sibekelani, but siyayazi indlela okuyiyona yona yokuvalelisa entombini, or angeke sithi uyavalelisa futhi uyaphuma. Ukuvalelisa usuku usuvalelisa ngoba sekuthiwe nawo umshado. Angazi usisigugu angangicorrect mhlawumbe mangabe kukhona la ngiphambuke khona.
Ngiyanibingelela. Ngiyabonga ithuba. Kumbuzo bosho, angazi noma unqonqo noma teknqonqo, something like that. Ukuthi after umemulo then what? Uze uthi-ke cause yena lost. Now or singamnavigate ukuthi enzeni njengoba most yena usenishile ukuthi it's a personal journey. Isikhathi-ke ngikuthatha ukuthi after umemulo kusuke sekuyisikhathi-ke sokuthi zithole, especially if maybe if njengoba esho ukuthi use-achievile most of the things esizigqugquzelayo ukuthi as intombi kumele uzi-achieve noma uzisebenzele. So-ke njengoba ese-achieve zonke lezi zinto akazi-achievile-ke, njengoba yena ethi lost, kumele azithole yena ukuthi ikhona yini into esaseveka kuyena ukuthi aqhubeke neyintombi noma cha. And then as soon as leyo mpendulo isikhona, bese ngiya-advocate mina for ukuthi whatever yenzayo empilweni kumele kube you must come first. Awukwazi ukucompromise ama-values akho for a certain somebody or certain something. Ukuthi ngathiwa uthi wena uyeka usewuyeka amajiji ngoba nakhu ukwi-relationship and ukhona umfana okhona at the moment. Loyo mfana loyo, there's one thing that mina-ke I've lived ngayo throughout ubuntombi bami ukuthi I always looked at ukuthi will I be at peace knowing ukuthi uthathe something precious to me, because ubuntombi is not precious to a man. We've been told several times ukuthi nje kubona akuyona into ebaluleke ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi usezokutreata better because wathatha ubuntombi bakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona odadewethu bebezintombi esibabonile benza ama-live, benza ama-videos after nje umshado umuntu akujikele, which means-ke okuyiyona proof ekhombisayo ukuthi ngempela ukuba intombi kuyigugu kumuntu oyintombi. Umuntu ongeyona intombi yena angakuthola usaseyintombi enze sengazi ukuthi ujabulela ukuthi uzokuthola eyintombi. Kuyena kugcwalisa nje ukuthi abe naleso status kwabanye abafana ukuthi hayi ngamthola eyintombi, but akuguarantee ukuthi nizophila happily ever after. So-ke awukwazi ukuthi uzidele ngomuntu othi mawuthi uyambheka kunama-red flags amaningi too. Mangabe sewucabanga i-future yakho uyabona ukuthi no man ngiyomzonda lo muntu mayesengishiye. So you cannot be wenza isinqumo esikhulu ngempilo yakho, because again ngiya-emphasize ubuntombi bubalulekile kumuntu oyintombi. Omunye umuntu akwenzi sense, omunye umuntu aka-understand nanokuthi ukwenzelani, why. There was a time kupostwe ivideo yami eyake yatrenda nje isikhathi eside, abantu ama-comment engawafica lapha ethi why ngizibhanisha ngizofana ama-cobwebs and what. So ngafika ngachaza ukuthi no guys, it doesn't matter how you feel about it. I don't need you to understand ukuthi ngizigcineleni. It makes sense to me, but I would appreciate a little respect ukuthi uhloniphe ukuthi I am sane enough ukuthi ngithathe lesinqumo sokuthi mina I will not give myself to just anybody, and especially umuntu ozongakhela inzondo, because I do not want to live full of hatred enhlizweni yami. Ngifuna ukuthi ngibe at peace with what isinqumo nesinqumo that I take every single day. I make sure ukuthi I'm at peace with. So-ke since ubuntombi kumina buyigugu, I will never just give it to anyone because ngithi yo ontanga bami sebeneyingane, ontanga bami they talk about izinto zocansi, so mina ngiyasala. No, I make sure ukuthi the crowd mina nguyo comfortable enough ukuthi ba understand ukuthi mina kunesigaba engingakafiki kuso. So-ke kumele usisi lo azithola ukuthi yena uma ethi u-lost within intombi, so then i-next step angayithatha use-mentally and spiritual and emotionally ready na for that step or not. If not, ake athathe isikhathi sakhe again, aspende naye ezifunda yena, afunde even umzimba wakhe ukuthi usebenza kanjani. Umzimba womuntu wesifazane uyijeni eqhubeka. Abake bebekhona emacampini yami bayazi ukuthi ngithi baye bethi abantu uma uyintombi umzimba wakho can never demand sex, but i-science ithi ma-ovulate and wonke lama stages before and after ama-periods khona into umzimba wakho oyenzayo. Leyo nto leyo yenza kumele ube comfortable, uze uyikhonkara unqobe ukuthi okay
u-understand ukuthi okay njengamanje oh yini indaba manje kusangana umzimba wami oh ileso sikhathi senyanga and then you shut it out. But mangabe uzo-actor because umzimba wakho u-excited ukuthi uzoya esikhathini or after ukuya esikhathini, then uzophila impilo full of regret and uzophila impilo ozogcina sewuhamba uzonda wonke umuntu because of the choices you made. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, that was a mouthful. And I think Dule, I think, oh God, I didn't get your name. But I think you should have taken a lot of nuggets from what Usis Kuku said, right? It's very important, Uzazi. Figure out what you want. Figure out how you want it. I'm not taking from me, okay? There's nothing more I can add to that. Mamwelasa utasik ede. Ubushisa. Khuluma nathi before we move on. Ngoba usisi uqeda ukungena kuningi mase kukhuluma. Khuluma fast. Oh, khuluma fast. Khuluma phela, unmute. Oh.
Oh, before akhuluma umama Olase nango Nqonqo ethi sister Gugu, I'm not ready to give myself over to a guy. My body does act out. So le akayishoyo iyiqiniso, and if ever kungukuthi awukakayi experience qala manje ke and mentally prepare ukuthi umzimba wakho sizofika isikhathi la uthi khona hello nana, you have this uNkulunkulu akakuphe yona and iyasebenza. So mangabe kufika leso sikhathi akusona ke isikhathi sokuthi manje sekumele wenza ama clumsy decisions ukuthi because sekukanje then usuzohamba udlwengula abantu. No ila i-discipline obuyifundiswa isithatha over ukuthi uyazidiscipline ukuthi uchannele your thoughts into something productive. Awukwazi ukuthi uthuka space la cause into le akayishoyo i-weird cause yenzeka at random places for no reason. Uthi uyabheka ukuthi man ngisejozi kuyanuka ngcolile, why my thoughts, why my body, why ungibetray like kuyanuka yini, so yini inkinga yakho? So awukwazi ukuthi at that state wena sewujahe ukuthi ish ngoba ukhona le ngihlekisana naye njengamanje ngisale no uchannela uyafunda to channel your body, your thoughts into something productive and positive. Wazi ukuthi i-bigger aim ngoba umhlaba esiphila kuwo is no longer umhlaba okwakufanele ngasiphila kuwo, usu very brutal. Understand nje ukuthi i-choice oyenzayo it must be for yourself. Yabona nje mangabe wena ujabule and chances are mawenza into oyijabulele wena mancane ukuthi in the future uzizonde noma uthole sewuzibethela ukuthi kodwa I shouldn't have because ibikujabulisa. So ke yonke into oyenzayo you must come first. So nje zibeke phambili ukuthi okay ngizoyichanela le mpilo emzimba wami esenginayo ukuthi ubuze kwawona ukuthi hello uphila kimi, so how are we supposed to coexist uma kungukuthi uyangilwisa?
Very important, and I think Usis Nozi Umdala shared a very valid point. Never please people or prove a point. This is about you. I think that's the one thing Ubuntu teaches you: self-discipline and self-discovery. It's always about you. You are the most important person to you. And if you do not put yourself out, no one else will. Your parents will try, but you have other siblings if you have siblings. You think your partner would, chances are they probably won't. You are the most important person to you. And if you don't put you and your needs first, then it's never going to be worth it. You're never going to be happy. You're always going to be frustrated, expecting that's why but is and that is a key message, Ibn. Love yourself, and be content with who you are, what you have, and the powers that exist within you. And once you are comfortable and content with yourself, only then can you reach a stage in Maslow's hierarchy of needs that's called the self-actualization, where you start grasping at other things in life that you aspire to have. Right? That's when your needs become more luxurious. But you need to meet your basic needs first and be comfortable and content within yourself. Right? Very important point. Hello Nana, ayingobuntombi bami. Or you might call it hello hi, uthi ayingobuntombi bami. Never that. But ke mamela se oh, ngiyacanga ukuthi ungakhuluma ke manje oh.
Mna
Sawubona.
ngiyanibingelela nonke angifuni ukukhetha ngey'gaba kodwa nginibingelela lonke ngokuyithoba nangenhlonipho nje. UMamelase okhulumayo intombi yake Matatela bakithi, intombi yakwaBhaca. Kodwa-ke ihleli la eGoli kwamanje. Okungenzeka ukuthi ngicele-ke we-Giggles ukuthi awungi-ede ingoba usufaka igama lami laphaya uma ukhuluma usho ukuthi uMamelase ngale post engiyenza izolo. I think a lot of people misunderstood my video, or maybe it's the way I
Wait,
also
it's not
put
supposed to be a
it.
joke.
Agnes?
Was it not supposed to be a joke?
No, it's not a joke, babe.
You're leaving there.
Yes. And ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi singabantu entombini siba nama experiences are different kakhulu based on igroup osuku kuyona, based on environment osuku kuyona, engakwenza ukuthi ugcine usuthatha isinqumo sokuthi yazini ngiyayeka. Kodwa hayi ukuthi phela sengiyobhubhudla and stuff. Ngiyayeka ukuhamba le ndawo because they can be emotionally and like they could be so emotionally draining and physically draining, because we cannot sit here and pretend as if Aintombini it's such this powerful sisterhood type of thing when we all know that we often experience bullying Aintombini. Do you understand? So with my post maybe ngisho kanjalo bengisho ukuthi kulonyaka ngiyagcina mina ukuya emhlangeni, ngiyagcina ukungibona ngihamba ilokhu nje imicimbi yini lokho nje okuhlangene namatshitshi ukuthi ke manje ngizala la phansi, cha sengiyikhatha out lonto leyo, uyangizwa. But ubuntombi bami kakade ndikwazi ukubugcina mina. Do you understand? So angeke ngize ngiyiphathe kahle iminyaka le yonke bese mase ngifika kule age lena because of certain circumstances bese ngiphaphathisa umfana umntombi bami. Cha, I'm very mindful when it comes to that. And enye into eyenza ukuthi abanye abantu bagcine bephuma ey'ntombini ukungaboni abantu abalingana nawe. Do you understand? Ugcina usufile ngathi ke manje ugcina usufile ngathi u-auntie, and not even in a good way, but like you feel like, oh my God, I'm doing too much. Anyone who has came across me uyangazi ukuthi ave nginolaka Nkosi yami ney'ntombini, angizwani ney'ntombi engenamthetho, angizwani, yabona nje ngithanda ukuthi izinto azenziwe ngendlela. Mangabe kuthiwa kuculwa amahubo mangabe kuthiwa iyacula amahubo intombi ayigobe, like ngizoyi-emphasize le ukuthi goba tshitshi, uyangi-understand? So it goes to a point whereby usugcina usuthola iy'nkulumo zokuthi wena you are such a bully, wena ufuna sizwe ngawe kanje. So now it no longer makes ey'ntombini that safe place. It makes it indawo nawe ususaba, usugcina soba ne-anxiety uma usucabanga ngey'ntombini, because ezinye izinto mina ngikwazi ukuyibamba shem. Like mangibona ukuthi khona umuntu owenza into wrong, I call you out, ngihlezi ngihle bathi intoni, ngihle ngikhuze because angizwani nento ebheke eceleni. But because ngiyabona ukuthi lokhu kwami kokukhuza kungikhandela amanzondo and it's not something engiyifunela yona, into engingayifuni Nkosi yami, kishapuka vibe. So kumnandi entombini, but we never speak about the bullying, we never speak about the body shaming, yabo leyo body shaming, it's one of the reasons again. Iy'ntombi ziyabody shameana. Sikhuluma nje sikhulume ko-live size simelwe ngamathi Nkosi yami. Kodwa iy'ntombi zibe zikubonile ukuthi uhloliwe unechashaza, zibe zibheka amabele wakho ukuthi hawu kodwa amabele kanjena kanje. So for me, it's a thing yokuthi, you know what? I am so over this thing of inkulumo. Let me just protect my peace and just, you know, ubuntombi ngakwazi ukuyigcina until I was 19 years old. When I got to varsity ngakwazi ke ukuthi ngijoyine iy'ntombi. Ngayithanda futhi iy'ntombi, ngayihambela iy'ntombi. Kodwa from my side, uthando engilibonisa iy'ntombi angaze ngalibona back onto me. So it's just like, what is the whole point of this entire thing? Ukuthi mina ngihlezi ngikhala. Cha, it doesn't make sense. So ingakho mina ngivele ngathi ngiyavalelisa nje iy'ntombini. And uma ngabe ungabheka ama-comments wami la ngiba-responda kubona, bengibatshela ukuthi cha guys, ukuyeka ukuhamba umhlanga no akusho ukuthi ngiyosakaza ikiwi cha, no, ngisazoba intombi nje. Futhi mhlazana kuthiwa uNkulunkulu uyangibusisa ngomkhwenyana thizeni, mangabe vele ngakungidalela umshado, ngiyoyibiza futhi zona iy'ntombi ngoba kakade nami kade ngangiyiphakamela. But manje ngithathe ikhali zami ngiyibeka phansi ngoba kuningi engakubona ey'ntombini mina. Iningi bullying, iningi body shaming, iningi nje iy'nkulumo. It's so draining and guys, yeah, that's just, let me not, nama ngingaqala ukukhuluma ngeke, but ayikhonahali, yeah.
No, and I think you raise a very important point, right? And I think this is something that we can all, at some stage, don't be, right? I'm always one person that doesn't like to sugarcoat things, right? Gumnandi yebo, kodwa kunzima. Akukho lula, and there's a lot of challenges, right? And I call them challenges and not problems because it depends on how you look at them, right? But you do face a lot of bullying, you do face a lot of persecution. It's tough. And from within the community, I'm not going to talk about the things that happen outside because that's a whole different topic altogether. But it's very important to choose your peace. That is the ultimate thing. Ngisho kwamina, ngimushala, and then ngiyabonakala majority of the time. But kwamina ngimusha, like uyabona ukuthi like at some point you feel like awufunakali, like you're not welcome, like there's no point. Why should I be doing this? I mean, especially I've kept up until 21. I was managing myself, me, myself, and I, and everything was just fine. There was no problems. So I mean, I firmly believe I can still manage myself should push comes to shove. You get what I'm saying? But it goes with choosing your peace and choosing your battles. You can't fight every battle. You can't. You need to pick your battles and you need to stick it to the man. If I'm picking the battle to say I'm going to fight this thing up until I turn 40 and then I'm done, I'm tired. If it doesn't change by the time I'm 40, then it's chai. But it's about picking your battles and choosing your peace. Because, and I'm going to go back to what I said before, it's about you. You must pick you all the time. No one will be more important to you than you. So if you feel, I'm just sad what you're leaving, honestly. Not gonna lie, now I can't be oh my God, love this girl, love this girl, right? So I'm just sad you're leaving. I'm just really sad that you're leaving. But at the end of the day, I understand that you need to pick, you need to choose your peace. You need to choose you. And I think this is something that Usiskuku said, Zazi. And once you know yourself and once you know what you want and where your boundaries lie, act on that. Work on your belief system. That's you. Right? I really hope, I'm going to request, I'm putting on the spot. I would really hope ukuthi sisithe ngiyaba khona ngicela ukuthi urequest sami ngosami ngeke uhambe ungashongo la ekhaya. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi that was a very valid point you raised, and I think it will take us back to when you talk about bullying, it goes back to the bullying that was mentioned earlier, right? And before I get to that, njengoba usisikuka khona la, ngiyacabanga ukuthi there's a few people abakhala ngokuthi cha ispace asigcwelanga requester. Ngiyacanga ukuthi khona abantu abambalwa here that mentioned ukuthi amahubo bona ababelong kwamaqembu, right? That's a whole different story altogether. Ngayikhuluma indaba yokuthi itshitshi neqembu ngithanda ukuthi singayi kuleyo tangent okwamanje. But bengithanda ukuthi mhlambe usisigugu because i-TikTok yakhe has amahubo. She created a playlist if I'm not mistaken. So you guys can go now corner. You guys can go to her page and go under her playlist. But I would like for her, if it's possible, to share amahubo mabili. And then you become a thread. Yes, okay. I'm not there yet. Usisigugu ashayela amahubo mabili akwaZulu that are utmost important from her perspective. And then Gaz go to Hamba Umshama Gangwani, if I'm not mistaken, she's been. If I'm not mistaken, she can correct me if I'm wrong. But can she also share two that she knows from her side as well? The floor is yours, Google. I'm also taking notes.
Ngicela nje ukuthi umama uba nomama welase lo bekhuluma ngebullying and what.
Yes.
Asikisi kakhulu kuyena and ngingathokozi ke mina I never rejoice if ever kunentombi eshiyintombi, not because bathi they are done neyintombi, but ama-circumstances abakhipha eyintombini. It's not nice. And ke abantu abangaziyo bangazi ngi-strong and you know and bold. Ngicabanga ukuthi leyo character came about because I had no other choice but to defend myself, because ke mina I'm within laba bokuqala i-crew yokuqala nje ukuthi ibe ivelele and ivelela during the kids njoba naye esho ukuthi uzizwe ngazuthi usewu-anti. Mina ke ngaqala ukuhlola ngina 18 but already kwase kuthiwa ngu-anti to a point ukuthi omama babesihlola ngaleso sikhathi bathi kumele ngilokhu nje, kumele ngibanjwe ngiyoganiswa ikhehla ngoba sengimdala at 18. So ke ezinye zezinto ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi ezinye zezinto zenzela wena, I think akafikanga kulesinqumo afike kusona overnight. Uye wasicabanga, if umuntu othandazayo wathandaza ngaso, wakhuluma noNkulunkulu ngaso ukuthi Nkosi ungibekile la entombini and this is what I'm experiencing and akushintshi. And ke kunzima ukuba kwispace esingekho good for your mental health, because ibalekile kakhulu so that uzokwazi ukufunctiona in life generally. So ngizobhlungu nje ukuthi seze wa decide ukuthi uyagcina this year. Hopefully ke ngobuthi akusho ukuthi uyayeka intombi. If ever kungukuthi uNkulunkulu is not done with her, njengoba esho ukuthi she's one of those people aba instiller ama good morals entombini. Uma uNkulunkulu engakaqedi ngaye, surely ikhona indlela uzomakhela i-safe space la azowenza umsebenzi khona ofanelekile ngendlela futhi esafe, endaweni esafe I mean. So ke kwinto yamahubo, amahubo eyintombi, ngizothi kwaZulu kunamahubo ahlukahlukile, amanye aculwa either amadoda or omama or intombi. But ke eyintombini amahubo thina esikhule kuthiwa siyawacula, lele lithi ge hayilale emqamelweni yiyo lentombi. So elinye lehubo esasicula but sekuyiminyaka ngagcina ukulizwa lihutshu. Elinye ilele lithi wayihlaba wema nayo, lisahutshwa ke lona even namanje. But ke i-problem ukuthi asikisi kancane ubaba uyangibiza ngizobuya.
Okay, usisigugu asahambile, usisigugu igosa lethu elikhulu besesikhumbuzile ukuthi isikhathi siyashaya. So while usisigugu asahambile, before she comes back, there's 2 topics that we were supposed to cover there were 2 questions in the. Yes, Usis Gugu kune camp. You can go to Usis Gugu's account. I think she'll post the invite on her account. I don't think she's posted it yet. But she will post the invite. Is it Tembisa in Soweto? I think Tembisa is in Soweto or the East Rand, one of the two. Not sure. But the camp is in Soweto. She will definitely be going over Amahubo, Ite, how to sing them and things like that, right? The 2 questions or rather comments that were mentioned in the chat earlier was indaba yokuthi ebuntombini bam Kenzie 1 2 3 4 5, and I think that was a conversation I had. Yeah, 10% of the Eastern Soweto, thank you. And I think so I mentioned that in my status the other day, ukuthi everybody's on the tangent of Ngibile Ntombi ebuntombini bam. And I've always wondered, can I say that? What is the purpose behind that, you know? And that was something I wanted us to explore. But from the comments, I'm just gonna share what was shared on my comments real quickly, because for the sake of time, and then we'll try and make another live so that we can really deep dive into majority of the things we want to talk about. But I'm thinking about time here. Ukuthi, from what I understand and from what was shared with me, indaba yokuthi Ngibile Ntombi entombini yakho has an age limitation first, because ubuntombi is not intombi asiyijiji. There's a difference, right? So mase intombi ususisigabeni where you are eligible for dating and marriage, right? You're at the age where that is acceptable, right? Firstly, so that's in our generation, that's the age of like 20, 21 going upwards, right? The 18, but he's stretching it, right? So that's the first restriction that people said. 2, yes, amachicha koyisiketi siyelo, intombi koyisiketi sibomvu, right? So that's how you can differentiate mise bevunulile. That is a very true point. And then indaba yokuthi ubile intombi ebuntombini bakho is not about your popularity or what you have done or what you've not done. It's a personal journey based on number ohlangana bezane nazo. So the challenge is that you go black skirt is for amantombazane semulile, from what I know. Isiketi esimnyama sigqokwa yintombi esezimulile, and it's shorter. It's like a shorter strap to say you're ready for marriage. But I'm rambling now. But what I understand is you are reflecting on the different challenges that you like. Umamilase can stand and say, right? Because she's gone through multiple challenges throughout this journey and she has overcome them, right? So it's not about whether I'm popular or I've done a significant thing or for whatever reason. It's about personal journey, the various challenges I've gone through, and have I overcome them? Have I, against all odds, with Mpola Gaj kind of vibe is what it was giving, right? But because of time, if Usis Gugu is back, she can just unmute herself and we can continue. I don't know if she's back or not. But after she shares what she shares, ayivelanga kumina, ayivelanga lutho, but ngaza ama-moderator sebazo-assista, angazi-ke manje bekumele kenzakala kanjani, yabo,
Okay,
angazi mina.
sorry, ngiyabonga ukuthi excuse kancane. Okay, kumahubo into engingathi ibalekile ukuthi si understand ngamahubo ukuthi awumkhuleko futhi awubhiyozi njengoba masuke siyiculela musunginyathela, so awubhiyozi mangabe uculi uhuba ihubo because leyo mkhuleko futhi anomlando. Ihubo nehubo linomlando wakhona, amanye awokucelebrate, amanye awokuzila, amanye awokucela whatever esuke icelwa, njengomkabayi kaJama ngithi sisho izinto esizicelayo kumkabayi kaJama. So ihubo nehubo linendlela noma linendima eliyenzayo ekusinxuseleni. So ke iloko nje engingaku-emphasize okwamanje because angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngicabanga ngibone kade u-level up athi 10 minutes so angikholwa ukuthi isikhathi si-enough ukuthi singachaza kabanzi and if ever kungukuthi unombuzo ungabuza and then ngiphendule.
Sisikuku bandla. Ngake ngaya komunye umngcwabo. Yabo. Umngcwabo nje womunye weintombi. And then kwathiwa ihubo okay nami ngazi kanjalo eNewcastle ukuthi ihubo aliculwa emngcwabeni. Ngabe nawe ukwazi kanjalo yini sisi noma mhlawumbe kunamahubo aculwa emngcwabeni kunamahubo okulila akhona
Akhona amahubo esimo isimo nosimo kwaZulu sinalo ihubo lakhona ngabe ukucelebrate ngabe ukukhala ngaba ukuthi mhlambe isizwe sizilile angithi khona ukuthi kuthiwe inkosi ikhipha izwi lokuthi akufaste kukhulekwe so akhona amahubo as such so nasemngcwabeni likhona ihubo lakhona ukuthi ke ngeshwa amanye awo asinawo cause indawo noma imingcwabo eyilolo hlobo ekusuke kuhutshwa lawo mahubo asikho exposed kuwona but akhona njalo.
Ngiyabonga.
Oh yeah. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi honestly these conversations are fruitful. Oh no man, I'm glad. No, please, yazini, if you can second guess yourself, please do. But it's a personal choice and we will respect it, whether we like it or we don't, right? We will try and make the lives more frequently based on demand, of course. But I think the purpose of this live was to prepare ukuthi ngempela ukuthi ngempela do you understand the importance yokuya emhlangeni? Are you ready? What do you need to do? And I think Unozi went through the steps of umhlanga wakwa and she went through the various things that happened so you can mentally prepare as well. Ukuthi this is what I need to do, this is what is expected of me and stuff like that. We went over the color of skirts for each different igaba. If you were listening, you caught it. It was in between the conversations. We spoke about the importance of umhlanga and what it means. What are we going to do there, right? And Usiskuku just spoke about the importance of amahubo, right? And I think we cannot emphasize it enough, guys. Ukuthi ngicela ukuthi manihuba nkosi yami musana ukugijima kujahe indawo. I'm one person unfortunately, or rather fortunately, I like the slowness of it. When I sing songs, I drag them because I like to hear every sound, every beat, every intention, right? So Makhutra Amahubo, it's kind of like a spiritual connection, if I can put it like that. So if we are Jaha, sometimes the meaning gets lost in translation, sometimes it doesn't land correctly. And for Abantaba spiritual, when that happens, that's their moment to connect. So if you kind of rush things, it also ruins it for them, honestly, if I'm going to be honest, right? So, but procedure and protocol says, Ihubo aukijimi, uhamba kahle, usisikuka nga-eda. Ngiyazi ukuthi uye onolwazi lukhulu futhi ngamahubo ngithembe yena akujahwa agijinywa ndawo uhuba nje kahle indaba zabo ama-step agijimayo abohushu asikho isidingo sohushu ehubeni asikho nje mina ngisiboni angazi sisigugu anga-eda but ngiyacela nkosi yami yeah kulenyo indawo yeah, Sis Cook, I think you can say something. And then everybody, before you add, I'm really sorry for being intrusive. Everybody else I added, and then we wrap up the live and then we close, right? Yes.
Okay, enye yezinto ey'balulekile because le post ngibone ibhale usiyaya what emhlangeni and stuff. So kunento iy'ntombi ezifike ziyenze mangabe sekulaphaya i-behavior iyehluka mangabe usuke kwi-presence of the king noma ngabe usasesigodlweni nasestadium you do not just be as wild as you usually are emacampini and what kuba nesizotha and uma-ke inkosi singenile estadium ngisho ngabe uhamba emumva le uma iy'ntombi zihleli phansi awuhambi uqonde straight, uhamba sakugoba so that ubonisa i-respect ukuthi kukhona umuntu omkhulu kunawo. And ilanga siyazi ukuthi liyashisa kodwa ama-umbrella sivumelekile ukuwavula cause one, bathi for i-security purpose. Two, uma wena sewuzemboza sewuthatha ukuthi kusho ukuthi uzibeka kwisigaba sokuthi umuntu omkhulu kunawe nawe ulingana naye. So-ke asivumelekile ukuwavula ama-umbrella.
Oh, thank you.
Uma isilo sesikhona asivumelekile ukuvula ama-umbrella, and uma kungukuthi kuthiwa uyasukuma uyahamba iy'ntombi zihleli phansi awuhambi uqondile. Nangesikhathi laphaya maybe iy'ntombi lezi ey'suke ziyovalelisa ngesikhathi ziguqa ziyoxhawula kubayede mazisuka kuyena zimfulatheli ziwalker backwards. So awuphenduki ubonise inkosi ingemuva lakho, ubuyela ezikaduza. So ngesikhathi ugobile uya kubayede mangabe eqeda kuxhawula kuyena mawuqeda futhi uyahlehla nje uzufike la uya khona awuphenduki umfulathele. So I think those are some of the things ezibalulekile ukuthi singazi-ignore masifika le.
Yes, then ngiyacabanga ukuthi Nozi baby girl sunga-eda nawe sikwazi ukuthi sivale nkosi yami. Eish, abanye abantu sebangena sekulate. Nozi, hi.
Thank you. Okay. From my part nje mina into engingayisho ukuthi zonke iy'ntombi ey'yayo, try to make this the best experience for yourself. Siziphatheni kahle, ngiyacabanga ukuthi sisigugu kusho konke. Washo nje ukuthi intombi iphatha kanjani uma isesigodlweni, what's expected of you and what's not expected of you. And nje si-enjoyeni. I believe ukuthi umhlanga is there for us to celebrate ubuntombi bethu. And yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga mama Lahle.
Sanibonani, sorry ukufakaza noma ukungenelela noma sengikhuluma late. So I wanted to ask something ne, since we are going like siya emhlangeni. I think I haven't experienced ibed yona, but last year I went to kumhlanga wase Swatini. So I think girls here can testify on that. So usually kuba a time where we are all given an opportunity, let's say bathi igoli sicela igoli lizocula or KZN or all of that. So I want to ask mina ukuthi abobani kumele bacule, abasisi abadala or everyone is allowed, cause lapha like we are not allowed, I won't say ukuthi abobani, but we are not allowed or given a chance to express ourselves or thina sicule thina izinto besizifuna. But abosisi abadala, they were the ones who bebacula lapha abayenza yonke into, and thina we felt like ukuthi basivalela ngaphandle, because even nokuya phambili bokuba yibo baya phambili angazi noma it's because of mina I for one nje anginayo imvunulo le ngiyifakile nje la ku profile pic yiyo nje imvunulo yami engisevayo to every event. I don't believe ukuthi like la buntombini size ngemvunulo, but I believe ukuthi size ngokuthi siyathanda and to learn and yeah nokukhulisana, sisterhood, like yeah yabo nje yonke leyo nto le. So indaba zemvunulo inetwork yami I'm sorry iyabet, but imvunulo nje is not something like engigxila kuyo. So I want to ask the question ukuthi kahle mokusukiwa emhlangeni isithiwa sicule senzeni, like kufanele ukuthi kuya abantu abanemvunulo enhle or abantu abadala or kanjani, because I didn't understand, honestly speaking. I didn't enjoy like their part leyo angazi, but I didn't enjoy. So kubo sisi bethu abadala, for example osisigugu, since bakhona I'm glad ukuthi futhi bakhona, so that like bazokhona ayina lawo maphathi lawo thina esinganasho ngawo. Ngiyabonga.
Sisigugu.
Asikisi ukuthi u-experience into enjalo. Kuningi kusamele sikulungise kwaZulu for ukuthi iy'ntombi zi-enjoy proper, and unfortunately yeah akukho okuningi engingakusho except ukuthi kusekuningi ekusamele sikulungise and uma sinenduna yethu okuyiyona eyaye ihube most of the times but yeah ake ngisho njalo nje ezinye zezinto esadinga ukulungiswa just that asazi zolunga nini but I hope ukuthi ningapheli amandla cause uma silibele siba khona and then such lives ziyaveza izinto esifisa zilungiswe noma izinto esingekho happy ngazo then abantu abasemandleni baye bethathe ama-steps towards ukwenza izinto better so-ke hopefully in due time kuzolunga konke okumele kulunge so enjoy umhlanga it's not about imvunulo nokuthi kuvele osisi abadala kuphela usually kahle nje since the new king i-order yokusina kweyintombi ayikakahleleki ngendlela kwisilo esidala akekho bengasini angafiki phambi kwesilo cause besisina in waves ulayini uhambe uyovela phambi kwengonyama ujike kanjalo kujikajika kunendlela intombi eyisina ngayo le engihlezi ngizama ukuyifundisa emakhempini ukuthi kusinwa kanje so that singezulahlekelwa ubuthina so ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi amalayini ehambe eyovela phambili ajika abuye kungalokumi ulayini owodwa noma igroup eyodwa phambili lokho kwenza ukuthi wonke umuntu cause sonke sizokhothama sizokhonza inkosi yethu so-ke uma a certain group noma a certain kuyibona nje abazibona belapha phambili basidepriva okuyiyona nto esuke iyigugu kuthina ukuthi sizokhuleka kubayede sizomkhonza njengey'khonzi zakhe.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-point eyayizile Mtase was a very sensitive one. Having been there myself, I saw it firsthand, and I can attest to ukuthi it is a bit confusing because kuthiwe bacela ukuthi kuhube intombi zokwaZulu, and this was from Kangwane. Bahuba osisi abadala beshiftiswa kwaphiwa i-mic ey'nganeni befike beyithathe futhi bethethisa iy'ngane kube ngathi abayazi into abayenzayo but sithemba ukuthi makuya isikhathi kuzolunga lokho nabo bebone ukuthi asiyangalaphana as a popularity contest asiyangalaphana ukuthi kuyoqama othizeni ngoba yena une-experience engaka ey'ntombini noma yena uwaziwa kangaka ey'ntombini noma yena ucula kamnandi ngiye ngibone kulamalanga kezwa example ngosizi Zamambo ukuthi ngoba yena ucula kamnandi asizange la ukuthi sobabuza Mambo so angilisebenzisi kabi igama lakhe bengenze example but akuyi ngokuthi ucula kangakanani noma kwenzakala kanjani kune-procedure and there's protocol and it must be observed. I really hope ukuthi that message will filter through to the correct people. But ngithanda ukupha usisi Ntombi usisi wethu osesindlula ngegaba esikhulu usisi siyakuhlonipha ukuba khona kwakho phakathi kwendawo sibonga ukuthi uthathe ithuba noma ufike sekulate bengicela nje ukuthi chaphu fast-ke ungabe usachitha isikhathi.
Mbona.
Hayi. Yabona
We,
ukuthi
inetwork nasi
kangakanani.
yangihlupha.
Nize nithi
Ngiyabonga
angihloniphi guys.
kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngifike late kakhulu yazi angisazwanga nje izinto ey'ningi y'khulunywa. Kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi vele sikhuluma ngokwemhlangeni nje fana nokuthi usiyayo emhlangeni lo. Iy'ntombi nje mina ngathi ziyimisele yabona i-camp injani but not in a bad way futhi because you must be realistic. I-camp but maybe much more worse than i-camp. So wena hamba uyitshelile ukuthi angiya ngehhotela. Yabona kudala kwakuculwa ingoma kuthiwa intombi isosha. Emhlangeni uyoba isosha-ke. Zi-prepare mentally nje for the worst basically. Kumnandi emhlangeni I do not want to lie. If angeke uze uye ngengqondo yokuthi you know princess treatment and whatnot. qina ungabi soft lapha kumele uqine ngoba le nto ayikhuphuka leya uphethe umhlanga akusamanzi amancane iline ozobuyilindile elangeni akusamanzi amancane but yinhle into yakwaZulu. I just feel like akhona ama-adjustment that needs to be done for us to enjoy kakhulu. For example, iy'ndaba zokulala, amanzi okugeza, umfula awusahambi amanzi yabo izinto ey'ningi nje sey'shintshile. But nathi I think we need to adapt as the time goes. Ezinye izinto yebo zizolungiseka kodwa ezinye nathi I feel like we just need to accept and work around them thina sibone ukuthi senze kanjani. So nje endabeni zokugeza ahamba uyitshelile ukuthi if awuphethanga ngendishi uthulisa wawuhlangana nawo laphaya ngizogeza ngawo ayikho inkinga and akekho umuntu onake omunye umuntu lana sonke sojabula sonke nje sizo we are here to see each other ukuzobona isilo i-event yethu nje le esemthethweni event yethu lesiyintombi la kumele sijabule khona so nje siyiphatheni kahle singahambi silahleka asiyiphathe nje kahle ngiyaxolisa ngisazwayo kakhulu ukuthi bekukhulunywa ngani angazi ukuthi ngiyabheda noma kanjani but asiyiphatheni kahle kube nesimilo siqhokeni nje futhi usually manje sekuhamba ngamaqembu so kanje hanga ngamaqembu akekho umuntu oyele ukuthi ayobukwa nakhona uzobukwa ubani because thina sifuna ukubamba umhlanga thina sifuna ukubona isilo thina sifuna ukujabula nezinye izintombi siyakuphoke impela kuthulitha into esiyela lapha ya ukujabula nothing else. It's not a hotel. Be prepared for the worst but you will enjoy. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga kumnandi emhlangeni.
110%. Mntasi isikhathi une 2 minutes sengifuna ukurepha manje.
Skis. So another thing I wanted to add ukuthi you remember last year there was futhi there was ama-talks or confusion nyana about indaba yemvunulo. I'll emphasize indaba yemvunulo kakhulu because the young heads. So there were ama-talks futhi la ku-TikTok especially induna because I'm one of igosa in my group. So they were saying ukuthi ingane if like they don't have the certain skirt of the group and remind you guys akuyena wonke umuntu onemali. We don't come from ama-backgrounds afanayo. I for one nje I don't think if I was not working or bengayenza ezinye izinto bengizokwazi nami uku-afford ezinye izinto zemvunulo and all of that or my parents would afford such things. So I think as induna we should accommodate or understand isimo sabanye abantwana ukuthi you don't come endaweni ezifanayo. So you can't say you skate 2,000 or even 500. 500 is too much, guys. Imagine if leyo muntu loyo uhlala nogogo or uhlala nomama but the parents are unemployed. 2,000 or leyo 500 uyomthatha phezu kwalokho kumele uthenge umphawu phezu kwalokho kumele futhi imali transport. Uyabo ukuthi so I'm inconvenience kuyo yonke leyo mali leyo. So I think as induna we should think or sicabangele nabanye abantu ukuthi asize endaweni like asiphumi kuma background afanayo. Rather why singathi thina we do ama fundraising or something just ukuthi fundraise imali and help abantwana because baningi guys abantwana baningi there are a lot bangahlala bangakusho but some of them mina bayakhuluma ke ukuthi asinayo imali we can't go emhlangeni or we can't go camping and ngisho ukuthi no sonke siqale lapho nami benganayo imvunulo ngibe nayo nje manje so like yabo ukuthi kuba buhlungu because manje thina indaba yokuthi sesiyenza ifashion ukuthi if you don't have certain imvunulo you are not allowed a camping or you feel left out and which into ebuhlungu leyo like ibuhlungu leyo nto leyo. I for one have been there in that situation so I think and feel ukuthi as thina awusisa abadala because I think everyone will like panel imdala. So I think guys let us do better like ukuthi si accommodate abantwana abancane because like they really need us and sizame ukuthi thina si fundraise maybe or do something like ukuthi siwa motivate ukuthi beze ma campaign with or without imvunulo. Ngiyabonga baba yini.
Okay, so just to quickly add on your point before I wrap up is yes, that is a challenge, But I think that's why each group in imvunulo is specific, right? So each group in imvunulo yakhona iyabahamba ngayo emhlangeni. If they decide at any point in time bazochange imvunulo bazahamba ngayo emhlangeni, they give you enough time to plan. Makwazi ukuthi khona iy'ngane mina ngiyazi ngegroup yase-Canada iy'ngalabezi, if kunesikhathi sekuthiwa khona esimaziyo egroupini ukuthi ekhaya financially abekho right, kuye kuthiwa in between the year khipha ama-R5 ku-donate kuhlanganisa imali ukuthi by the time umhlanga usufika abe nemali yokuya abe nemvunulo ekhona. Abakwazi kuyenza ubuhlalo egroupini kuye kuthiwa ukuthi okay thina siyakwazi kuyenza ubuhlalo kuthengwe ama-beads athunyelwe kuloyo muntu loyo adedicate izandla zakhe mebekhona abakwazi ukuyenza noma unomehlo ngoba most of abonomehlo bayayazi i-beadwork benze njalo khishwa lama-R5 kuthengwe ubuhlalo and stuff like that. So that is something that happens throughout the year. That's why i-group inemvunulo ukuthi push comes to shove everybody will have the basic and then we all go with the basic. So I think that's the thing also enye ekumele ilento le icabangwe, and at the end of the day everybody knows ukuthi umhlanga is in September, right? So kuplanwa accordingly abonomehlo, and that is the nomehlo's responsibility to then highlight ukuthi guys kunomhlanga make khulume nabazali and stuff like that. Mina ngeke ngiyibone yenzakala kanjalo abonomehlo kube yibona abakhuluma nabazali ukuthi 3 months to umhlanga, 6 months to umhlanga, let's plan, let's get things right, let's do the correct things, right? Nkosi yami Jesu, nkosi yami. Okay, khuluma Mama Welasi. Ngizonikhatha mina kabuhlungu. Une 2 minutes.
2 minutes mina njengoba ungazi ngiyile nhlobo ehlezi ikhuza ngifuna uku-understanda yabona hayi nokuthi ngifuna uku-understanda ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kunamatshitshi I'm sure 100 lana manje ojoyinile. Ngisacela ukubakhuzela indlela abayiphatha ngayo emhlangeni maye beqala bebona ama-celebrity. Hawu Nkosi yami,
Siyacela.
nishayisa ngamahloni. Nishayisa ngamahloni Nkosi yami, nigijimela siyacela, niyabahaga lapho nivunulile, niyeka imihlanga nilahlela phansi, nifuna ukuyohaga ama-celebrate. Ngisacela iy'ntombi maziye emhlangeni zibe more aware ukuthi uzombona umuntu lo ajwayele umbona ku-television, uzombona. It's all about doing it respectfully. Angazi ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe mina angiwathanda ama-celebrity, so that's why I don't pay any attention to them, but I feel like it's so embarrassing ukubona amatshitshi etrendela ukuthi abe busy egijimisana nama-celebrity engathi abantu abangenaso isimilo, when we preach about ukuyiphatha nokuyiqoqa man. Iy'ntombi ngisacela ziyiqoqe nje kulonyaka, ake niyiqoqeni nanoma ngavela uChris Brown Nkosi yami, ake niyiqoqeni nje niyibambeni kahle, niyibambe bantwana bami bese niyiphamisele phezulu. Ngingazi ukuthi-ke manje sengivele awukahle Giggles, yabo ngiphi 2 minutes bese uyacula. Bona i-wrong kodwa bakethi le nto angazi noma ngisuke sengumuntu mhlawumbe onola kakhulu ngicunukiswa into ey'ncane, kodwa usisiguguza ngitshenana ukuthi ingabe ivumelekile na leyo behavior ey'ntombini ukuthi uma bebona ama-celebrity bafuna ukuthi ama-celebrity awagqugqoloshe nje kuba isiphithiphithi usungasazi nje ukuthi kwenzakalani. Now 2 minutes wami bengifuna ukukhuza lowo point.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi imqoka leyo point leyo ephakamisile and i-very important. Kanjani sisikhulu?
Yeah, awuqinisile kakhulu. I-mindset ekumele siyisebenzise ukuthi masisemhlangeni ithina ama-celeb. Lonke nje itshitshi elisuke lisemhlangeni because ithina ama-main event. So awukwazi ukuthi unike i-spotlight to umuntu ongasideserve. Umgwaqo, you must own it. In fact, kwakuthi nje imoto seyiphithizela kanje is not right because kwamgwaqo we own it, ispace sethu. So ithina esizobuyisa isithunzi somhlanga ngokuthi sithathe i-charge of what belongs to us, ngokuthi singahambe si-endorsa abazobukela bazobuka thina. Usiyacela bakithi last year but-ke asiyeke kasiyacela eyangibilisela igazi. uNtombi Radebe uthe, if I may ask, is it mandatory for amatshitshi ase-KZN to be the first ones ukubamba umhlanga? Iy'ngane zesilo noma-ke abantwana basebukhosini bangena nebutho lasoSuthu. So-ke abahambi bebodwa ibona nje bokuqala njalo every year abathatha umhlanga. Isilo esakhothama bese sikade sipropose noma sase sivume ukuthi each year kube lonyaka kuzoba ne-draw ukuthi abantwana bazongena naliphi ibutho ngonyaka olandelayo. Ngeshwa-ke kwenzeka nje once ngesikhathi se-COVID, azange kusenzeka-ke after that. But-ke usually siyasha nje lapha ilanga, yikho ezinye zezinto engithi kumele siyibekezelele zizolunga zona in time. Just that nje kumele sibekezele ukuthi kusene-transitioning. Lena-ke eyenza ezinye zezinto thina zisibeke kwi-uncomfortable spot. Yeah.
Nosi, 2 minutes. 2 minutes ke batla kwala guys, ke batla kwala.
Okay. Ngifuna ukusho nje lento esanda kusho usisigugu ukuthi ithina ama-celebrity nanokuthi sihlezi sizwa noma kuba ney'nkulumo mesibuya thina emhlangeni ukuthi owethu umhlanga awukho organized nani. Okuwukuthi to some extent nathi siba naso isandla in doing that. For example, wona lokho ukuthi mubona abantu usulahla umhlanga phansi usuyagijima. We have the responsibility of making umhlanga wethu nathi look nice. Ngisho lokho nje, ngiyabonga.
Ngicela nokuthi Nkosi yami hhayi emhlangeni kuphela ukuthi intombi ibe nesimilo iy'phathe kahle ingagijimeli abantu, ngisho sikumemulo, ngisho sisemhlonyaneni, cha ziphathe kahle ukuthi nayo insizwa la ifake u-Brentwood ithi izokushayela ize kuwe ize nemali. Cha, isimilo ningaphaphi nje, angiyazi intombazane isho ukuthi aneze ishayela iposte lana ukuthi yona iyashayelwa. Cha, isimilo ungavumi ngawe, zihloniphe ukuthi nomunye umuntu azokwazi ukuthi akuhloniphe, ahloniphe nobuntombi bakho. Phila ubuntombi bakho ngeqiniso, ungayenzi into ye-content ucabangele i-content phambili ukuthi okay uma ngabe ngizoshusa nalo muntu lo. Cha, sishusela nezinye iy'ntombi nje Nkosi yami, nisimeleni kancane ngabafana. Angisho ngoba senginjalo kodwa nje isimilo.
Amen bakwethu, amen. Ngithanda ukubonga iy'nkulumo zonke Nkosi yami. Ngiyasibona isidingo senge i-live. Ngithemba ukuthi wonke umuntu obekhona kwi-panel namhlanje mese sibizenge ngeke beshalazi, ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi akekho umuntu onovalo bathi nesabani ngoba vele ningumlilo kushiwo njalo. Yabona sengiyashumela manje sengizomoya but ngithanda ukunibonga nonke ukuba khona. There's a couple of comments in here. Ungaceli. There's a couple of comments in here that we didn't get to attend to. My apologies. Kuleyo ndawo, you can send them as DMs and I'll do my best to do videos to cover them, right? But i-live ngiyacabanga ukuthi isidingo sikhona. Ama-panelist wethu ngiyacabanga ukuthi azozavela mase sibacela ukuthi i-date siphumile. But ngibonga ukuba khona kwenu, ngibonga isikhathi senu, ngibonga iy'nkulumo zenu, ngibonga ukuhlakanipha kwenu enikushare nathi. Siya-appreciate kakhulu bakwethu. uNkulunkulu andise ulwazi nenhliziyo yokuphisana ngakho yini ngaphakathi. Yeah, for thina angazi ukuthi ibi-recordile yenze njani. Ngizok-WhatsApp uzongitshela ukuthi yenziwa njani, but indaba yebhande nalifaka abantu abaqomile. If I wasn't, and now it happens ukuthi the invite comes through. Wow, la ngithi ngiyavala khona, ngiyavala bakwethu, ngiyaxolisa, ngiyavala. Kunini ngiyavala bakwethu, ngilambile. Yazini, I don't think khona umuntu ongazi ukuthi masophethwe indlala nenhliziyo iba siyazi majijini. But ngiyanithanda guys, ngibonga ukuba khona kwenu. Izobonana masiyibonana futhi bakwethu. Nihambeni kahle, nibe nosuku oluhle. uNkulunkulu anibusise, anisireletse, nikwazi ukuthi nimhlangene kahle. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Amen. Hambani phela. Amen bakwethu, amen.